Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you might have seen the thumbnail, this is not a movie teaser reaction or anything like that. I just want to tell what's going on in my life. Basically, as you guys know from my channel name, I live in Texas, in the United States, USA. So here we have a big winter storm. Never ever we have seen. Texas is in south part of United States. We don't see that much of snow as New York and Chicago. So we had a big snowstorm, one of the biggest in the history of Texas, I would say. So, and yesterday we had the coldest temperature ever recorded since 1949. So it was really cold. So, and there are a lot of power outages also because Texas is not really prepared for big winter storms like these because most of the times the weather is mostly like India. It's hot and kind of cold in the winters, but not freezing cold. So we're having power outages, and luckily we had only 2 to 3 hours, a few hours of power outage. But some people are having days like in this cold weather. So I hope everyone is safe, and if there are anybody watching from Texas, I wish you all the best. And also, I just want to let you know that I'm trying to do all the videos whenever I get a chance and whenever there's power for you guys. And also, I'll show you outside in the video how snowy it is. And probably if you're from New York or Chicago or Minneapolis or Wisconsin or Michigan, I think it's not a big deal for you because you see snow all the time. But in Texas, we Texans, it's a big deal. So hopefully the snow all melts. We all had fun for a day or two with snow, but when snow is there for weeks, then it will be a problem. So you can see the video. I'll attach a video of the snow and all, so that you can know what's going on at my end. So keep supporting me, keep encouraging me, guys, and let me know what type of content you want, so that I try to give you better and more nicer videos to you. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also please comment as well. And again, delicately touch that bell icon for all the notifications whenever I post a new video. Okay? So I love you all. As I told guys, see the snow all the way. This is our Texas weather. Normally we don't get snow, so this is the snowy roads of Texas. Aladallaspuramlo, inta snow. This is all snow. Wow, see? Wow, see? This is the horrible winter storm ever in Texas. So, yeah, we're all staying at home. There are a lot of power outages as well. So, yeah, just be careful here. Careful here.